Welcome to Compuspections training video. In this video, we'll show you how to correct a sticker that's been assigned to the wrong vehicle. Putting a sticker on the wrong vehicle does happen. However, your manager may be able to fix this by using the flip tool. Let me demonstrate how this works. Starting from the main menu, go up to the orange box labeled Manager and click on that. Next, go to Sticker Management and click on that. When the page opens, check your campaign, check your inspection type, and then find the set of stickers that contain the sticker numbers that you need to be flipped, and click on that. This opens up the sticker detail page. It's a listing of all the stickers in that set. The ones we're looking at today end in 123, which has been assigned to Mr. Passetti, and 125, which has been assigned to Mr. Weiss. Unfortunately, these are incorrect and need to be reversed. Now you can go to either one of the stickers involved and click on the word flipped. You'll see at the top that we open 123 and we need to change that with 125, so use the drop down. Find the sticker with 125. When you do, click on the blue box down here that says Flip Stickers. When you do that, it's going to prompt you to print the 431 again, which we highly recommend. And when you come back to your sticker detail page, you can now see that the 123 sticker is assigned to Mr. Weiss, as it should be, and the 125 sticker is now assigned to Mr. Passetti. We hope this video was helpful. However, if you're still having an issue, please don't hesitate calling customer support.